fuck? Oh, this can't be real. Escapism. Mental break. Mika! While a character is in collapse status, their max health decreases. Yo, what the heck? Hold on a second. Sorry, what? Check the tags again. Is that a... While playing, the required number of break cards will recover their breakdowns to break down. She's tweaking out. Has a low chance for unexpected results to occur on use. What's she doing? Why she make those noises? Stop that shit. Can't you see? Escapism is unhealthy. Uh-oh. Whoa. Running away won't change it. Now we're healed. When a character recovers from a breakdown, it's not always mental. Characters who recover from mental breakdown, maybe it is mental.
Later.
Now, ooh. Great. No, I'm reading the card. 150% damage. Okay, plus 0 scar. Not a pervert. Never be a pervert. Yeah, let's